Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to record your screen on iPhone devices. So as you see, I already have my iPhone unlocked and I'm on my homepage. So all you need to do, just get your finger at the top right of your screen, then slowly put down the finger, and then as you see there will be a pop-up. Now you need to do, just click the plus and then click add a control and click screen recording. I already have it on. And then what you need to do, just after you add it, click screen recording and the countdown will start and it will start recording your screen. Let me see right now. And as you see, it was recording. Thank you guys for watching this video. Leave a like and subscribe and see you guys in the next one.